Hello IT pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to find drivers for an HP computer. For that end, I'm going to use this HP ProBook. Can be any other model, can be a desktop as well. So here in Windows, you go to the search bar and you type CMD. Here, you run the command prompt. You can run it as an admin or not. In this case, I'm not running it as an admin. So here you type the command wmic BIOS get serial number. You press enter and you're going to get the serial number. So you copy the serial number and you go to the website hp.com. You press enter and the website is going to look different depending when you visit it. From here, you go to support, software and drivers, you click on that, and here it's going to ask you, what is it? It's a printer, it's a desktop, it's a laptop. In this case, it's a laptop, you click on that, and here in this space, you paste the serial number that we got a few seconds ago. So after that, you click submit, and now it's going to show you the model that you have. And on the right is going to show you how the computer looks. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all the drivers compatible with this model. So that's how you find drivers for an HP computer.